I recently got a mail from one of you, and he was talking about his condition that he's really interested in blockchain development. So what he did, he took a couple of paid courses to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and the framework. And currently he's focusing on the salty smart contract development. But at the end, he raised a very valid question. So I thought let's make a dedicated video on this to share with you all, because if you want to see yourself as a blockchain developer, then you have to have a clarity regarding this question. Okay, so he said that he doesn't hold an IT degree. Okay, he's from non-technical background. Is it possible for him to get a job in the real industry? Because whatever job profile he have found so far, all those companies are looking for a developer who has 2 years experience, 3 years experience in smart contract, blockchain developer. All those companies are looking for that kind of experience level. Is it possible for him to get a job as a fresher, as a newbie? Is it possible? So the answer is 100% yes, but it always comes with a big question. And the question is, do you have the skills to fulfill all the requirement for the company? Why those companies are looking for a developer who has 5 years experience in smart contract development, 3 years experience in salty development? Why they're looking for those developers who have this kind of experience level? You have to understand that first, because those developer has been in the industry, they have seen enough problem, they have built enough project, and they got those experience on the base of the project they have built in the last 5 years. So the point I want to make, that how many projects you have built if you're applying for a smart contract developer. So you need to have something to show in the company that, okay, look, just have a look, I have built 10 to 20 project. So if you build 10 to 20 project, you have no idea what kind of experience level you will have. You can apply in any company, you will get a job. Definitely you will get a job if you build 10 to 20 project, because the more project you will build and the variety of project you will build, the better understanding you will get of the language. Okay, it's easy to learn the programming language, all the syntax, but the actual learning comes when you build the application. And that's why the companies are looking for those developers who have experience, because they have built enough project, they have their portfolio. You have to work on your portfolio. At least you have to build 5 to 6 projects. That's absolutely mandatory for those of you who are from non-technical background. You have to build 4 to 5 big project like NFT marketplace, centralized, decentralized exchange, bots, like chat applications. So these are the big projects you have to build with both front end and back end. Then you can easily able to explain everything when you will sit for the interview, that okay, just have a look, these are the projects I have worked on, and this is my entire concept of designing the smart contract. This is why I have taken this variable, this is why I have not taken this variable, this particular data type I have taken, it's reducing the cost when at the time of deployment or at the time of function call. So you have to have that kind of experience, that kind of understanding of the language. So when you will have that kind of understanding, definitely no one can take your job. You can easily able to get it. Trust me, you can easily able to get it. So start working on your portfolio, start building project. It's better that you have learned the language. I have seen that many of you just learn the language and you say that you guys are not getting job. How do you get the job? Because whatever portfolio I have seen, you guys have sent me, I have seen that only 1 or 2 project you have built, and that project is very normal project. You have to build something big, okay? Then you can expect that the industry will respect you and they will give you the job. So if you really want, then you have to build your portfolio. And now comes the most important part, that are you marketing yourself or not? Okay, how many of you are present on LinkedIn? How many of you are posting regularly on LinkedIn about the project which you have built? Just imagine that you have a build a project. So you can simply post your smart contract on the LinkedIn and you can explain that this is why I have taken this, this is what I have taken this, or you can create a video on the project, showcase your work. And that's the best thing you can do. Like social media is there, you can display your work, and that's how you can make connection. Because whatever project ideas or project collaboration I have done so far, that's all I got from LinkedIn. If I talk about myself, I'm also not from a technical background. I don't hold any IT degree. I'm from fashion management, but I took this shift and I started into the Web3 space. Whatever project I have worked on, that's all I have got from LinkedIn. If you don't understand, just go and check my LinkedIn profile, where you will find that how active I am. I post every day. So are you working, making that kind of, how many of you have the list of the company who are in Web3 space? How many of you have done the research that what are the companies working on decentralized finance, NFT, metaverse? So you have to do all this research, and then you have to find out that which company you have to target, and according to that you have to build your portfolio. According to that you have to build your project. So these are the things you have to keep in mind, because if you say that I'm from non-technical background and I'm a fresh, I'm not getting job, no one's going to give you a job. Okay, it's very competitive. You have to be mature enough. Okay, No one's going to give you a job just following a course or taking a course or watching a video. This is not going to help you. Actually, you have to show your work. So if you're applying for a decentralized company, you have to build a decentralized exchange, build a project around that, build a board who can do the trading, and then you can easily able to go to the decentralized financial company which are dealing in that okay, I have this project, I have this board which can do the trading automatically in the smart contract. So this is my project and I have the understanding, I can explain you everything. So if you approach in that one, definitely you will get it. So have to have a better understanding of your field, no matter what field you want to go, and do marketing of yourself. Use this social media, Instagram, we have YouTube, we have LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a great place if you are looking for the job. Just trust me, just do it for 1 or 2 months. You have no idea that how many offers you will get. Post regularly, explain every single thing which you are doing in the smart contract or anything, no matter what profession you are. Just write it down, explain everything about your project, show your project, then people will come. If you don't show, then how could you expect that other will ask you to work with them? Okay, so you have to explain, you have to show all the works which you have done. You have to tell that this is the understanding I have, I can build this kind of project. It's very easy to get a job. All you have to do is to focus on your skills. Once you have these skills, you have to do a little bit marketing on the social media. You can do it very easily. Just whatever project you are building, just post and explain, make connection with the same type of people. Okay, so if you're into a web3 space, there are community, there are forums, there are a lot of groups. Join them, ask your questions, answer questions. Okay, so that's how you will make connection. Coding is 50% and the other 50% is your communication, how you communicate, how you represent yourself, and that's what make you stand away from other developer. Okay, so that's how you will shine and the other people will attract to you and they will give you offer. Okay, so you have to come up from the cage and start expressing yourself. Okay, I'm the developer in this particular field, these are the things I have done, I can build this kind of things. So those who are interested, you can approach me, or you can do it for free. You can build the application the way I do. You can see I build NFT marketplace, ICO, like ERC20 token, a lot of project I have built. I'm also from non-technical background, so I have to explain that I know the work. That's why I'm making this video, that's why I'm making this tutorial, and because of this I'm getting clients, I'm getting projects. Because if I sit, I will just apply for the job, no one's going to give me because I don't have that IT degree or technical background. So they will always have the doubt that should I take this guy or not, or he is a perfect fit or not. So they will have, if you have the work, if they will see your work, then definitely they're going to approach, oh, this guy know the work. So this is how you have to do the entire planning. Start focusing, build project. You must build at least 5 project, big project, not small project, big project. So you have this project and then start applying straight away. Start applying, give interviews, as many as you can. The more you will get, the communication will get better, you will make good connections, and ultimately the chances will go way high as compared to those who are not doing that. Okay, so these are the things come into picture for getting a job, for getting a clients, for getting a project. Okay, so that's the entire things you have to focus. Don't need to worry about the job. Once you have the skills, you will definitely get the job. So start focusing on the skills, have the understanding, try to teach other. Okay, try to build project and explain to other. Do it for free. I did couple of projects for free just for getting experience. So just do it for free, work with other, and that will give you enough confidence so you can come into the industry and you can say, okay, I can do it, I can build project. Okay, so hope this video is already getting long, and that's why I made this video, so you guys can have an understanding that what you guys can do. So that's why I made this video, to explain that what you should do. It's good that you are following tutorials, building project, but build projects as many as you can, different type of project, and just do marketing of that. Okay, use social media platform, Instagram, LinkedIn is a powerful tool, you have to utilize it. Okay, it's very powerful tool. So with that, I'm ending this video. Hope you have found this video valuable. If you are still in confusion, any doubt, do leave in the comment section. I'll try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day.